Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you an urgent update on a popular tech gadget that might be sitting right on your desk or in your pocket. Humane, a company known for its innovative AI Pin, has issued a critical warning to all its users. Stop using the AI Pin's charging case immediately. Yes, you heard that right. The company discovered a serious issue with the battery cells in these cases, which are actually sourced from a third-party vendor. This isn't just a minor glitch, it's a significant safety concern that could potentially affect the functionality of your device, or worse, your safety. Now here's what you need to know. The problem does not extend to the AI Pin itself, or to its battery booster and charging pad. Those are still safe to use. But when it comes to the charging case, you're going to want to set that aside for now. Humane is not just leaving its customers high and dry though. They've promised to compensate affected users with 2 free months of their subscription service. However, they haven't clarified if a new, safe charging case will be provided in the future. I know this might be a big inconvenience, especially for those of us who rely on our gadgets daily. The company has quickly disqualified the vendor responsible for these battery cells and is on the hunt for a new supplier that aligns with their safety and quality standards. This is an ongoing situation, and Humane has committed to keeping their customers updated as they work through this issue. So, what should you do if you own one of these charging cases? First off, stop using it immediately. Safety first, right? Then keep an eye on updates directly from Humane. They promise to share more information once they have a clearer picture of the situation. If you're affected by this recall, or if you've got thoughts on how tech companies should handle such situations, drop a comment below. Let's chat about it. Don't forget to hit like if you found this info useful, and subscribe for more updates as they come in. Stay safe and stay informed. Till next time.